Alright, we are back with passion fruit and popping apple flavored bubbles. Ooh, so let's put these in. Oh, no. Take that off. We take this lid off. Put our bubbles in our drink. Oh, that went a little bit everywhere. Oh, all the bubbles went inside, so that's fine. It just spilled a little bit when it fell in. Right. We've obviously got to have a straw. Give a straw. And give it a little mix. Mix up a little bit. Lovely. Lovely. And then we give it a drink. Oh, I think that one might be my favourite so far. I think it's the apple flavoured bubbles that make it for me. I think the apple, yeah, they definitely tip over the edge. That is delicious. Any more of that? I think that one is my favourite. Passion fruit, you're a winner.